Okay, so we've created our countries. The only problem now is that when we run the app, the correct country is always coming on the top, and the incorrect is coming at the bottom. So we need to change that. But first, let us put in a little function that will run the program automatically, so that you won't have to click on the flag the first time. So to do that, if you go back into your code, you can see that your code is called flag it now, and you could call flag it now as soon as you load your program. So I'm going to run that using nil. But if you run it using nil, it won't be compatible with your function. So you go back to the function now, and the sender, instead of any, put in any object and the question mark. Now it should run your program automatically when you start. So we're going to press Command R again, and the build has succeeded. And now you can see automatically it's going to start off with the flags, and again the correct answer is always at the top. Now this is not ideal. We don't want the correct answer to be at the top every single time. It would be nice if we could alternate them. So sometimes the correct answer will be at top, and randomly sometimes the answer would be on the bottom button. So that's a choice between two. So we need to put that into our code. To do that, we need to create a number between two. So we could use the same function that we set up before. So this time we'll call it between two, because we're selecting between two numbers. And instead of the code, which was the count of countries, we're just going to put in the number 2. So now it will randomly select between the numbers 0 and 1. That's the way it counts. So now we need to put a condition, so that if the between 2 equals 0, which is 50% of the time, it will do what we normally do and put the correct answer at the top. But if the answer is between 2, the answer is 1, which is again 50% of the time, we wanted to do the opposite. So this time we're going to change the first button to the second button, and the second button to the first button. Now let's see did that work. So the build has succeeded. Okay, so the correct answer is now at the top. If we click the flag now, correct answer again is at the top. Click it again, at the top. Now correct answers at the bottom, at the top, at the bottom. So you can see it's random. However many times you click it, there's always one correct answer and one wrong answer, and the correct answer is randomly at the top or the bottom. That's the end of this bit of the tutorial.